In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily set up a subscription product using Flodesk Checkout. Whether you're offering a paid newsletter, a digital membership, coaching sessions, or a community, Flodesk makes it easy to collect recurring payments so you can focus on growing your business. First, we're going to come over here and click on the Checkouts tab. It's important to know that to use subscription payments, you'll need a Flodesk plan that includes checkout and is also connected to a Stripe standard account. If you're a checkout user who is still using Stripe Express, you will need to migrate to Stripe Standard before you can access subscription payments and other new features in checkout. Now, let's go ahead and build our first subscription offer. We're going to come over here to New Checkout. Here on the left, you will see a new section for our subscription templates. Go ahead and click on these to check them out. These templates are built and ready to go to offer multiple subscription payments. However, if you prefer another template, you can also use one of those and add subscription payments to those templates as well. If you have an existing checkout that you would like to convert to subscription payments, you will first have to duplicate that checkout and then adjust the pricing to recurring payments. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and use this template. Once we're here in the template, we're going to go ahead and set up our recurring payments by clicking Setup. Since I selected a subscription template, you will see that I already have some subscription options here. If you're using another template or one of your previous checkouts, you will see these tabs to change it from one-time to recurring payments. Here, you can modify your recurring options. If I want to delete an option, I simply hover over it, click the trash can button. Whatever option is at the top will be my default option. To modify, click and make any changes you need to make. If you want to add a new recurring option, simply click Add Another. You can have up to 3 options: monthly, quarterly, and annually. Next, you will go ahead and customize your product with images, description, a name, and most importantly, your product segment. This is the segment that your recurring customers are added to when they purchase your subscription. When they cancel or fail to pay, it will be removed from this segment. You'll go ahead and select or create the segment here. When it comes to our subscription options, we want to make sure that our buttons in checkout are connected to the correct option. So for example, this CTA right here, I can click on it, click link, and then select which subscription that button will connect to. We also have blocks that allow you to offer multiple recurring options. So here, I'll just want to make sure that I update this text and connect the button to the correct option. And there you go. Go ahead, spend some time customizing your checkout to make it a perfect representation of your brand and your offer. When you're ready, go ahead and click Publish, and you'll be ready to share your new subscription offer.